Welcome to lesson 2, blogging for SEO. So this topic, we're going to talk about tags and how to add tags to your site, what they are, what they aren't, and how to pick out your tags. So basically, let's go back to categories for a second. Categories are your broad topics for your blog post. So for example, in this one, the broad topic is seller and home selling tips. So that can really fit a lot of different blogs. There's probably other blogs I can go back and look at and put into these categories, and that's important. They're the broad topics. Tags are the specific details, the keywords inside those topics. So you want to use tags to really drill down a little bit more specific of a keyword for the blog topic, and you only want to use a tag that you can use again. So you don't want to get too specific, but it still should be more specific than the category. Never make a category or a tag that you're not going to use again. Categories, broad topics, and keywords, we're drilling it down. So, and also your tags should never replace your categories. So if I have the category of home selling tips, I'm not also going to use the tag for home selling tips. Doing that would create a tag post and a category post page rather that gets indexed in Google, and then it confuses Google. So we don't want to do that. You're going to make sure that your tags are never the same as your categories. So, and also one other thing, they're not hashtags, guys. Don't use hashtags as your tags. Your tags are not hashtags. Hashtags are for social media. They're not for blog posts. We're not using those. If you guys are using ChatGPT or any type of AI to write your blog posts, that's great. You can also ask ChatGPT or AI to write you some tags. That's cool too. You want to use between 3 to 8 tags, no more than 10. Just like with categories, you maybe want to have 3 or 4 categories in here at the most. And you're going to pick those categories out based on the topic. Like this one is listing your home is exciting. That's the title. But what are we talking about in here? Preparing the home, pricing and market, photos, marketing, showings, open houses, offers and negotiations. There's a lot of different topics that we can use in here. So closing the sale, under the contract phase, quite a few. So we're going to pick some tags that we can add intentionally that we can also use again. So I'm thinking listing your home and preparing a home for sale. And we're going to say the home selling process. So that's 3 pretty good ones. They're very specific to this category, and also I can use them again. So they're reusable, and as I write more seller content, I'm going to keep reusing these same tags to create topic clusters. It's going to help bring the blog post together, make it so it's easier for my readers to find more relatable content, and for Google to also connect my blog posts. And that's it. That's how you use tags. So come up with a couple of different tags. I mean, even these aren't too bad. Negotiating, market strategy. They're going to be a descriptive type of keyword that you can use that describes the entire blog post or part of the blog post, and that can be reused for other things, but is more specific than the category itself. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, as always, give us an email and be sure to watch video 3 in our tutorial for blogging for SEO.